Okay, so we're what do we got here? AMC is at $33.80 and it went up 3.36. That was normal trading hours yesterday. We are up right now $3.21. We're at $27 right across the board. We're at 9.47%. Allison, how you doing, girl? What are you liking of those numbers on AMC right now? Pretty good. Oh, as you said, it does a little bit of a tank, but yeah, I think it's all good. I have a really good feeling today. Well, we're gonna have to actually see what happens when the platforms dump. Like we always, yeah, no doubt. I would love it to rip right today. We got a lot of stuff in our corner though, like some good stuff's coming out. We just need those rules to change, right? So I haven't heard anything. I've been doing digging on the government websites and stuff on SEC's websites. Can't see anything yet. I am a member of their website there, the Whistleblowers Club. That's what they call themselves now. It's kind of funny, but yeah, anybody can go there and rat anybody out on any stocks or anything like that. It is what it is, but they do need the line like that. I do. I'm in favor of it actually because it's not ratting retail investors out. It's ratting hedge funds out, right? And that's how they found about the dark pool is all that stuff. So yeah, we got 3 minutes until market opens here. We definitely do have an attack happening right now. So we'll see what happens. We are getting a pushback here though on it. We'll see what happens when we hit market open now. I'm just having a look at my portfolio here. Yeah, all the meme. I noticed something yesterday. All the meme stocks went up, even though like 1 to 2 to 4 or 5%. Yeah, they all went up. So that's kind of weird. Like that's rare. I've never actually seen them all go up like that at once. So we'll have a look-ski in a minute and 30 seconds. So how you guys all doing? Hopefully you're liking the videos that are coming out. Trying to get the newest information. I know some of it's from the UK, but our channel has expanded so big that we do have a substantial amount of followers from the UK for some reason. So I know that we get the first-hand news and it usually trickles over to their country. So, which is good. I have no complaints about that. But our fellow brothers over there are a lot of supporters over there of AMC. Their laws are a little bit different and they're getting hammered on by these hedge funds. They're just screwing them. Their infiltrated really good with hedge funds into all their trading apps and everything. Worse than we are. So we'll see. I know. Richard, I seen that. Very, very bad reporter. Very bad reporting. It took two fractional points that were nothing. Every business is going through that hardship right now, and it just it was pretty bad. It was pretty bad. It looked pretty bad on that reporter, and I read the comments. She just got slammed. So not good, man. A lot of people are unsubscribing from that channel just because of that, because they have a channel on YouTube too, right? So I've actually unsubscribed from it too. So I just watch it if it comes up, the news, but I definitely did unsubscribe from their channel just because they do go off of statistics, right? Those big channels. Come on, 45 seconds. Let's do it. Wait for the bell. Let's see what happens here. EMAC, what's up, brother? Andrew. Everybody's coming on here today. Right on. A sell-off today. We could see a little bit of one. We did see a little bit yesterday, but they were snapped up. Like retail investors bought those shares even before anybody could do any covering or anything like that. So here we go. Our market just opened. There we go. She just opened. So let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that candlestick. Look at that, eh? Holy crap. That's a lot of volume coming in here. Holy jeez. I knew there was going to be a push down on that. I just didn't want to say anything. But we're going to have a fight on our hands today. That's not necessarily bad news. What's going to happen is it's just the trading apps that are dumping right now. JP, what's up? What's up, brother? Day traders. Yep. That's exactly what that is day traders. Yep. Yep, they're cashing in right now. Some of them are cashing in. A lot of people try to paper hand this stock, and it does not work out well for them. There we go. So let's see what else is happening here. What do we got? We got our... wow, we're hitting up 10% almost, eh? That's pretty good. Yeah, there's definitely day traders on that. They're flipping the shit right now. It's something you do not want to do. If it was me, I would not be screwing around with this stock like that. You could lose money so fast, they make your head spin. Because you can't predict it. My whole portfolio is just neutral. It just went tung, 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 tung. Wow. Except the meme, 3 meme stocks. 4, 5 meme stocks are sitting in the green right now. So yeah, we are going to have a bit of a fight on our hands today. Good morning, brother. Dominique. Perfect time for a coffee. We do have a lot of volume pouring in here, though. For sure we do. Way more than usual. So those numbers that looked really good, why it went up last night, I can tell you guys right now. That was institutional investors, as we all know. We don't have access. Well, you can but get access to that to trade at night, but it's very it's you have to pay for it, and it's hard to do. You're betting against huge companies and stuff. It's not a good idea. But the thing is a gamma can kick off in the night, and it can go right in the market. Oh yeah, AMC is far from bankruptcy. They got $1 billion. Good morning, Ryan. They got like $1 billion something in the bank, cash, right? So they're just holding it. They are burning through a little bit of money right now, which that's what the CNBC jumped on, which is nothing. All companies are burning through money right now. But the bottom line is they got that money to burn through, right? That's the big picture. $2 billion in the bank. Is that what? Yeah, it was $2 billion. I knew it was $1 billion plus. So like it is what it is. But we do have some rocky roads ahead of us. It sounds like the country's going to be shutting back down again in a lot of sectors. I've been watching the news. It's happening up here a little bit with this variant going around. It's killing people like really bad. I try not to really dive in on the news that much because a lot of it is speculations. But I do know that it is a very deadly disease, this variant. And yeah, it's really shitty. It'll definitely cripple the market a bit here, but I don't think it'll do anything to us, right? Because we're on kind of on our own playing field here, right? These stocks. Sorry, that was a big sell right there. That was a big sell right there. I knew we were gonna get a bit of a push back here. It is what it is. Okay, guys, I'm going to tell you something here. I wasn't going to say anything, but I always tell you guys, I was kind of pondering on this. Good morning, Andy. Some new news has come out on AMC. I kind of didn't want to really talk about it, but just give me a second. I want to think about how to word this. You're going to the movie today, Richard. Good for you. Connie, it is killing people. It is. Sorry to say you're wrong. Google it. It's a variant, and it's they're actually getting overflowing in New York right now, and in India, it is wiping people out everywhere. I'm not diving into the news too much, but it is very, very bad. The variant. Because of what has happened, it is a couple things, Connie. It is what is people have relaxed, and good morning, RJ, and that's one of the reasons is they've relaxed with the masks off, and it's just attacking people. And a lot of people just didn't get vaccinated. I'm not calling you. I'm lying. I'm lying. You're calling me a liar. You live in New York. Okay, good for you. I live in Canada. I was watching the news and stuff. It's all good. It's all good. You're allowed your opinion. It's all good. Because I know up here it's in Alberta it's killing people. So I know it's the same disease. So it is what it is. So anyways, let's move on. So yeah. So what's happening? It's with AMC and that they do have those new HEPA filters in their theaters and stuff. So that is good stuff. And what is happening? I guess they got no viruses transmitted in the theaters. I guess there's barriers and stuff up. So it's all good stuff. Looks like to be a squeeze. Yeah, Andrew. Yeah. I did want to check. So yeah, AMC is going to, they're looking pretty good right now. Oh, what I was going to say is they did cover a couple of short positions were covered, and the EFTs, that's what we are talking about. They're running out of room there, guys. That's what I was going to talk about, because it's not really factual information. I just heard the gist about it. So I wanted to wait for more news to come out on it. I kind of didn't want to kind of get into it too deep on that. But they're heading into a roadblock. And yeah. I'm just checking out some stuff here. Just going to go through my portfolio here a bit. MVIS is up at $16.19. We're at 1.82% in the green. We're in the green. Good for everybody. Like, this is good. This is good, guys. So I think it's getting a push over into all the other meme stocks. I was on Reddit this morning, having a look around, talking to some people and stuff, and everybody's on the same page. Really, I've talked to a couple other YouTubers. They're just what the problem is they're pushing the same content as me. I'm pushing the same as them. So we're kind of like at a standstill until those new laws come out. All we're doing is line watching, guys. It is what it is, right? So it is what it is. But one thing I just wanted to say is, which it hurts me too, is what it's going to affect is this new variant going around is going to affect things like the cruise lines. They're going to get a triple schwack here with it. Air Canada is going down. Well, it's par this morning. It went down yesterday because of the news on that. It is. I'm not pulling my position though. I'm keeping it solid. It just that it is what it is, right? The restrictions. They're tightening restrictions, especially up here in Canada a bit, just a little bit. Nothing crazy. But yeah, so like that is definitely why the aviation sector went down in the last couple of days. But all it is for me, it gives you a chance to buy cheaper, right? So it'll all correct itself, though. There's no, people do have to travel and all that stuff, right? So that's the thing, right? So yeah. So yeah. Any new news, guys? Any new news you guys heard? Because I feed off of you guys too. We're getting back up in the 7%. Good morning, Aaron. How you doing, brother? We're getting back up here. We're gonna give it a push. It's gonna be a little bit of wave action today, guys, because there's like different. Obviously, as you guys know, different time zones and all that stuff. So it is what it is. Matthew, brother, how you doing, man? Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, so hey, sorry about getting good morning, Ken. Good. Sorry, guys, for getting a little bit late getting the notification out this morning. Usually I set it after I stream, so you guys have a whole about 20 hours to set your notification bells. It's just that what happened was, I'll tell you what happened. I was sleeping, and it was about 2:50, about 2:45 in the morning, a.m. Hi, Buffalo Dan. Yeah, it's going pretty good. I'm liking that. I'm liking the way this goes. We do have to have some consolidation here, but we do good volume. That's clicking really good. It's clicking good. It's about double what we had in the last couple days, guys. There is obviously some FOMO happening, which is good, but they're still stalling our orders, guys. There's only certain amounts getting through, but a lot of people have switched brokers that are doing directs. So that will obviously help. I can't do that. Like, there's certain ways that you can do that, but it's really hard to do. It's hard to find somebody to deal with directly, especially when you're in a different country, to deal directly with the New York Stock Exchange, right? Oh yeah, there's something else I was going to take out of there. I was just looking at this right now, looking at the numbers. Yeah, we're clipping good. Oh yeah, big facts, Andrew. We need the borrow fee to reflect reality. Otherwise, shorties can hold virtually forever. Yeah, they're still burning through money. They do have a lot of money. They're slowly getting into trouble. But the thing is, those laws. I know I keep on saying it. All the tubers are saying it. Those laws, but we're on a pivot point, guys. But they got themselves into a big pickle. Oh, I know what it was. I know what. Catherine, how you doing? How you doing, girl? Good morning. So, what I was gonna say. Oh, I know what it is. What they're up to right now. What the big thing is right now. They need to get this below $30. Okay, they're fighting like hell to get this down to $30 by the end of the week. Okay, so that's the problem. Well, not our problem. That's their problem. Okay, that's why they're gonna try everything. Like, look at this candle movement. Like, look at it levitating like that. They're trying to push this down with frequency trading. Still, I've been up for hours, guys. Andrew, I can hold forever too, guy. It doesn't cost anything. That's the good thing, right? Unless you took a loan out or something like that. But I'm just speaking for myself. I haven't. So yeah, this is a little interesting ride here that we're going on right now. But we did go up pretty good. Like, even in yesterday we pretty good. We went up a buck something, which is not bad. Okay, I'm gonna jump over. I'm just gonna look at some other stuff here, guys. Okay, we are on GME, GameStop, 162.73. We're at 1% straight across the board. Oh yeah, they're getting the same movement. Look at that. The same thing is happening except bigger candlesticks, but they're getting the same action. I know the percentages are different, but they're getting that same movement. Let's have a look here, guys. Look at same movement, right? That same movement. Okay, so costs, they never have any volume anymore, guys. This stock. Do any of you own costs? Like, you don't have to answer that on a public feed, but if you want to, you can, right? Do any of you own cause? I don't know anything. I was just wondering. I just kind of want, just out of my own statistics, I wanted to see if anybody owns cause, because I know it was a big, huge push before. No, there is no law on that right now, my friend. I'm referring to Andrew, and no, there isn't, and that's what they're trying to correct. That's what that was it 600 and some odd page document, or was it 300? I can't remember, man. I've looked at so many documents and everything. You have Delta Unlimited Airlines? I know, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, high frequency watch. That's exactly what they're doing right now. That's exactly what they're doing, my friends. And that's good old Citadel. And a bunch of them. It's the big boys that are back and forth. Like, I wish I had that footage still. It was a video that somebody posted about 5 months ago, and it was the room of Citadel's main control room. You should see all the servers. The whole bottom of the building is full of servers. It's insane. And it's insane. And the thing is the computers on the floors all the way above, it's just row upon row upon row of computers. That's what they use for the frequency trading. And everything else, of course, because they won't have one of the no costs. No convictions on me. I was just wondering because there's no movement on that anymore. Like, it goes up a little bit. Now I was just wondering, right? Because it was. I just want to check something. What is it? Float shares out. Free float. Right on. We just got upvoted big time on Reddit. Double whammy for the last video and for us right now because we're on live feed. Everybody hit thumbs up. Oh yeah, thanks guys. Thanks guys. Oh, I really appreciate that. Thanks, man. They're all rolling in right now. I really appreciate that, man. It just feels kind of weird when I ask for it. If you guys ask for it, it's a little bit different than me asking, hey, man, can you hit the thumbs up? Right? Because that's up to you guys, right? Oh, Canopy Growth, guys, is going pretty good. Holy crow. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Good, because they need a little bit of a push. They've been sitting dormant for a while. Done. Thanks, man, for the thumbs up. Thanks, guys. Thanks, Andrew. That's what it makes it. By you guys doing that stuff makes it worthwhile me broadcasting every day and stuff. Because that it means a huge thing to YouTube. That's what they go off of, is a lot of that stuff. It's a combination of things. It's the click ratio and a whole bunch of stuff like that. MVIS is back down again, Blackberry. That's such a good stock. I just don't know why it just gets schwacked so bad. They're just so good of a company. Like, it just, the whole market's weird. When all of this, and Air Canada went up again, what the heck? That's good because I own some of it. And I know some of the Canadians on here. Vinny, Crypto Killer, what's up, brother? MMAT, I'll put that right in there right now for you, my friend. Let's have a look-ski. MMAT, it's a material company. I didn't know about this one, my friend. I'm being honest. I'm always true honest with you guys. Or no, somebody brought this up the other day. They're actually doing not bad. Anything in the green nowadays is good, right? But 3.9%. Let's have a look here. They do after-hour trading. Oh, here, let's go back here. Sorry, guys. I'm just going to bump this on the 30 here. Let's have a look. Let's do a pullback here. So that's usually what they trade. Let's go into the day. Oh. Vinny, is this a pump and dump, my friend? That was Torchlight. Oh, okay. This was a pump. That's a straight up pump and dump, my friend. Holy crap. That's what I mean by double-edged knife, guys. Right there. Vinny, do you have stock in this right now, my friend? Or were you in on this pump and dump? Guys, this is what it's going to look like with AMC, but we're going to have a longer ratio down the side. It's going to go, the first bit's going to drop like a knife because nobody will hardly get it on the top, man. I hate that to say that, but it's very, very rare. And if you do, you do. Oh, okay. It could go back up again, my friend. What are the dates here? August, July. Did you make some good money on it, Vin? Look at that, eh? That's crazy. That was up high, man. Holy crap. That would have been a good take. That would have been a good go, man. No wonder why Vinny jumped in on this. That's pretty crazy. So I'll jump off this, guys. I just wanted to show you, but this is what AMC is going to look like. And any of these squeezes when they happen, it's just going to go and go up like this on a major pullback by days, okay? So let's do a week pullback on this. It was down at 42 cents. Holy crap. That's like a 1,000% increase. Or no, it's not. No, I'm lying. 4, 4, 8, 16. That's pretty good profits, man. Okay, I'm just going to jump off here. Thanks, Vinny, for bringing that. Waiting for the dividend. Vinny, when that dividend comes out, it's going to knock all those synthetics out of there, guy. You know that, right? You know that. And that will make a huge difference. Any of these companies that get dividend, what it does is I've already tried to educate you guys on this, and a lot of you are smart people too, and you know that. Whoops. Sorry, guys, I'll put you on a better chart there. So what that does is it makes it so they have to file with the government, and you can't file on a synthetic because it doesn't mean anything, right? Like if AMC went dividend, they used to be, it was 0.8 or point something, and that was years ago, but they won't be doing it. They can't, they won't. There's no way they will right now. If GME does that dividend that they were talking about, and I seen that come up again yesterday. Tony, what's up? Do you think that OTS gonna drop today? Is that the ticker symbol OTS, my friend? Because there shouldn't be oh, we'd have Brandon, we'd have a gamma. There'd be a fucking full-on squeeze, buddy. If he announced that, it's sorry, buddy, I'm trying to read your comments here. Oh, AMC you're talking about. Okay, sorry, Tony. I'm just going back because I got a bunch of messages. Tony, I'm going back in your message. Do you think it's going to drop to 30 today? No, I don't. I can't see that. That's a huge, that would be like 20%, man, to go down that much. Well, think about it. Okay, 10% is $3 or $3.33. So it'd have to drop 20% today. No, I can't see it dropping 20% today. What they're trying to do is do this by the end of the week. They want to get it below 30, not 30, below 30. Because it I don't know why. I've been trying to find that out. Lemons with Brandon. You're hilarious. That's good. Man, you should write a book on that one. That's pretty good. That's pretty good rhyme in there, bro. Just give me a second, guys. Just bear with me. I'm just going to check some stuff on Twitter to see if I've got any new news, because people send me new news all the time, and that's it's good to talk about first thing in the morning. So let's have a look. Let's have a look. Do. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm coming back to the live stream here. Okay, Free, good morning, brother. Volume look good today. Yes, it, Brandon, it's beautiful volume today. Richard, opinion. Oh, option, sorry. Okay, Richard, I'm just going to, hedges would have to pay back dividends, opinion. Yeah, they would have a big problem with it would expose all the synthetics, man. It would be a squeeze for sure. That would cause a squeeze. Oh, 100%, guys, 100%. Is AMC free? Is it AMC? Well, there's a couple of contributing factors with failure to delivers. Yes, a little bit, and the the ETFs, right? And then there's another one too that because of the good news, man. There's a lot of good news. Even though the CNBC came out with that stupid article on it, that's just every company's burning through cash right now. I don't know any company that isn't except Moderna. Went skyrocketed on the stock market yesterday. 6MT, what's up, brother? I know, Andy. I know. I don't understand it, my friend. It just doesn't make sense. Like, I don't understand why the government's not doing anything. We're back up to 7%, guys. So it's just going to be like this roller coaster ride for the day. And that's what's going to happen. Yeah, no doubt. When the spotlight is on you, no shit, you just curl into a ball in the corner and hope it'll go away. I know. I don't understand that. I think a majority of hedge funds, I think it's just that I could be wrong. I don't know the laws, but I think that they're protected by their work. I don't think that they can be personally sued in a lot of aspects. I know in some you can, but like I think up here in Canada they would just go after the company. So if you're under under a company, the company would get nailed. Another upvote. Right on. Thanks, guys. Okay, Tesla, just $500 AMC. Let's go. Oh, you just dropped some money on AMC. Good. That was you. Thank you, man. You just put a boost. That was you that got it up today. I know. The cup and handle. I know. I was looking at that, man. It looks pretty good. It's pretty close to a cup and handle. It's pretty good, which is a bullish sign. Yeah, they are criminals altogether. It's just crazy. It's crazy stuff. It is crazy, crazy stuff. Do. I need more shares. I need more shares. I'm just going through you guys' messages because I don't want to miss any of your guys' messages, okay? So, anyways, I'm just going through your messages. Something's wrong with my good morning, brother. Good morning, Warren. Rich. Yep, Rich never goes to jail. That's true, Free. You're so right on that. Sorry, something was going wrong. I ended up blocking a couple of users here by accident. I don't know what held YouTube. I never did it. So if any of you guys got blocked, that was not me. That was YouTube for swearing or something. I don't know what the hell happened here. I'm trying to figure it out. So sorry, guys. That was if you're typing and you're trying to type and that's not going through. That is not me. Somebody got flagged for something. I don't know. It won't tell me. Some people say that they can't buy any more shares. Yeah, that's happening. It's because some companies are shutting off the sell button or the buy buttons is because there's nothing to buy. Okay. And the thing is, and that's, I don't know if it's happening in the States, but it's happening in the UK. Okay. And, I did a video on that. It's just, I can't get all the information because I got a VPN and unlocked most of it, but I'm having problems with that. It's just, it's protected, right? It's a different country. Same as if you're trying to get information in Canada and you're from the States. It's hard to do, right? Like trying to get information on China? Never. You can't get through their firewall, man. You get sporadic stuff, right? But nothing to like degrading stuff or anything bad towards them, right? do. Just going through you guys' comments on the comment wall. Just checking things out. Okay, what do we got? 36.5. And GameStop's going up too. Good, because that's a good sign. Guys, the stock market has done a correction. Everything's going up right now. A correction in our favor. The contract is on Instagram and... My accountant's trying to get a hold of me right now. On Instagram. I wonder what the hell that's for. Okay, 166.84. They're at 33.3%. That's awesome. 3333 right across the board on that one. I am going to cover some a couple Canadian stocks here. Suncor Energy is at 24.31. We're at 0.79. Loop Energy. I'm surprised they're not on a lockdown. They never go. This company suspends like 10 times a day. That's why I'll not buy through them. We already covered Air Canada. We're gonna go into some Sundial. Sundial is at 0.82. We're at 1.03 in the red. That's the only one that's down. BlackBerry even went up, guys. BlackBerry is at $13.17. It's at 0.46 in the green. Okay, we are going to cover some crypto. Okay, Dogecoin is at 0.25. It is at 0.81 in the green. It did have a little bit of a go there. It was up about 10% the other day. And Bitcoin is at $45,503.59. It was at 0.48. It's in a negative 0.48 right now. Correction on that. Sorry, guys. Ethereum is at, good. It went up a bit. Because I do own a little bit. I only own $25. Nothing compared to probably you guys. It's at $3,159. And it is 1.39 in the green. And the only reason why I own a little bit of crypto is because I get it free through my trading broker. And it's not much. It's just a couple dollars a month or some stupid thing. It's a promotional thing. It means nothing. But anyways, that's what we said, hey? Back when I was in high school, that's a long time ago, when crypto first came out, you could buy it for like a couple cents. It was like nothing. And that's where you hear all those stories about people in their hard drives have crypto keys in their hard drives, and their wives threw their old computers out that were up in the attic and stuff. And there was like millions and hundreds of millions of dollars on some of them. You hear the stories once in a while pop up in the news. Yeah, we're back up to almost 8% again, guys. That was a cup and handled it for him there because we're getting a push from that. A little bit of a cup and it's at the borderline. So we got 3 crows. Oh, no, it's not. Sorry, guys. I thought that was a red. I thought it was 3 soldiers. If that was red on the bottom, that would have been 3 soldiers. When you have a red followed by 3 greens, that's 3 soldiers. The opposite is 3 crows. Just a little bit of education for the day, guys. If that was red on the bottom. $36,100. I'm just reading some numbers here. Okay, let's see our volume. We're at 30.52 million. We got a bunch of volume just cranking it. Even though it's going down, the volume, that doesn't make sense. Look at that volume going up, because I can tell by the market cap. If the market cap keeps on fluctuating, it's not a sell. There's nobody selling. The volume's going up, but we're in a red candle. That doesn't make sense. There's that frequency trading again, guys. That's exactly what they're doing. They're doing it in sporadic movements, as you can see. Right here, and right here, and right here a bit. Which there's nothing we can do. Nothing. So what date are we? We're the 10th today, eh? Yeah, I'm hoping we got about 2 more weeks before. I think that they're gonna try to get something out by the end of the week here. End of the month here. For hopefully these new laws, my friends. Okay, I'll read some of your comments here. According to the new CTS plan, they have to be in the lit market for 4 months prior to the vote to be able to vote. Okay. Buffalo Dan had some information there. Direct buys through the Indians may be slow. That was at 95%. Okay, the world is corrupt. Yes, it is, my friend. You nailed it. It is so bad. I got the 7 shares, probably Fresh Prince. No kidding, eh? That's funny. Andy, you're hilarious, man. That's not a candle, bro. Babe Ruth. For holding it simple. Yeah. It's crazy. It is. It is, man. They're printing some synthetics hard today. Hold the diamond balls. Yep. Here, I'll blow this up a bit for you guys. There you guys go. I know it's hard to see on if you got smartphones and stuff. Dude. Yeah, I got into a little bit of a, well, not an argument, I guess, on Twitter today, with some people arguing over Ortex, about how it's accurate and all this stuff. I'm like, guys, it's not. Mask Investor keeps on using Ortex, and I wrote him a thing saying, guy, why are you doing that? Why are you giving this information out? It's not accurate. Like, why would you do that? And somebody wrote me a message. Well, it's better than walking around with your head in the dark. And I said, no, guys, go use it. I got a website that you can use. It's free, right? It's actually, I could put it up there for you guys. You can use it. It's free. And they're using it now. So he's like, oh, thanks, buddy. I'll use it. So what I'll do is put it up there for you guys. I'll put it on the chat here for you guys. Just hang on a second. I got to find it now. I just bookmarked it. It is called Stocks Era. Okay, so here we'll put it. I think that's how I think I spelled it right. Just give me a second, guys. Stocks Era. There, yeah. So there you guys go. Oh, come on. There you guys go. Use that. It's free. Okay, it gives you all the short volume interest. It gives you a whole bunch of stuff for free. You guys can use it. There you guys go. I found that a couple days ago. Somebody sent it off to me and said, hey, this is better than Ortex, guys. And it's free. You don't have to pay the $35 a month. I compared data on it. It looks more accurate than Ortex. So tell me what you guys think on some feedback on that. Have you guys ever used that before? Tell me what you think. Okay. If they take the sell button, I don't think they'll do that. They're worried about the buy button, my friend. I don't know. No, that would be big lawsuits, man. Like, that would be messed up. That'd be messed up. I don't think that they would do that. That would cripple a, like, whoever did that, they would have so many lawsuits because you might. The thing is, if they did that, you use snapshot. Guys, I'm going to tell you what to do right now. If that ever happens, snapshot it on your phone. Try to get it on your phone or somewhere you can snapshot that. The timestamp, go to the stock market, see what the price is at, snapshot that, and you just built yourself a lawsuit. They will have to, the judge will order them to pay you whatever that was at. Trust me. But it's the buy buttons. That's what they're worried about. So you can't buy any more stock. Okay, that's the problem what they're having. Or they have had, I should say. Sorry. I'll correct that. I think Robinhood was doing that. That's why he has last time I looked it was 49 lawsuits. It could be more now, guys. And they're the people are winning them, right? Were any of you guys the ones that got out of that $70 million? Did you get any money deposited in your account from Robinhood if you were with that broker at that time from GME and AMC? Because they did, remember, it was all over the news. I didn't cover it, I don't think. I'm just reading some news here on my Twitter because I'm trying to find you some news. Oh my God. The Britney Spears thing. This is hilarious. Judge denies Britney Spears for expediting her hearing to remove her dad from controversy. Poor girl, man. Oh my God. Wow. Wow, that's pretty messed up stuff. Anyways, sorry I was off topic here. We're supposed to get money from them. Oh, you meant buy, Scott. Yeah. I don't know. You're just going to have to play that one if they do that, you're just going to have to transfer your money to another broker, my friend, or open up another broker's account and buy. I don't. $20 million? I don't know, Andy. I know nothing. I don't know that much about Bitcoin or crypto. I just like I said, I just tell it how it is, right? Like everybody has their own opinion. Like anything on this channel, I know you guys are allowed to your own opinion on stuff, right? I just tell it what I feel, right? And if you guys have your own opinion and put it on the wall, I'm all good with that, right? So we're back at 7. We're still getting around that 7% mark. It's just, see what I said? Whoa. Settle down with the mouse cursor here. Yeah, we're just going to do this all day today. This is just going to be a little wave action. Remember I called that at the beginning of the market once it's stabilized? In the synthetic world. Yeah, it is a synthetic world, man. It's all fake. Everything's fake. Whoa, look at that push. That just jumped from like 60. That was a big whack. That candle jumped high and then went back down, man. Holy crap. That went from like 6.75% up to 7 something and then back down. What the hell was that? Guys, we got 34 million right now. And what time is it? We've only been open 45 minutes. We're not doing that bad. If we didn't have this much volume coming in, we would have got like just torn right down to nothing. That volume's holding us up. Remember the good old days when we had 700 million, that, or was it 700? No, 300 and some odd million shares for the day. Remember the good old days back when it was the real shares. I'm just stone contemplating. Okay, Javar, we need to win candles. I'm just reading back at your old messages. Did I miss something? Terminator is killing the stock. Okay, I'm just going back to your messages. We will win. Yeah, we will win, man. For sure. We got this. We got this. It's just a little bit of a waiting game. I know it's just, that's what we're like, oh man, all us creators are the same thing. It's like, oh man, can anything like new happen or anything? Is just like, that's why Lou pulled back. That's one of the reasons, obviously because of his legal aspects and stuff, his parole officer and all that stuff, right? I think that has a little bit to do with it, which is good for him, right? Good for him. But I think a lot of it's because it's the same information. There's nothing's changed. Like, it's just like, what do? Here we go. Oh my God. Wow, it went the wrong way, guys. What happened there? Come on, do a pullback on that. Yeah, they're fighting like hell. They don't want it up this high right now. Yeah, I seen Lou's new video. I watch all of his content. He does have a new video. He was talking. What was he talking about again? About a BMC, about how it's. What was he talking about? I just can't remember, because I do watch his videos once in a while. Yeah, he's all right, man. I don't mind him. I know a lot of it's a mixed bag, and hey, you're allowed your own opinion on stuff. He has touched down some good stuff in the past that has come true. And just like every creator, he goes out on a limb and some of the stuff didn't work out. But another smash up on Reddit. Can you guys hear that one? I guess you obviously can. But oh yeah, what we're talking about, Lewis. So yeah, guys, it's all good, man. It's all good. It's hard being a YouTuber, guys. It's a lot of pressure, man. Like, you guys are probably, oh, it's not, but it is. It's a lot of work. Yeah, the whales are fighting it out, man. There's something weird going on right now, for sure. Yeah, look at that candlestick. It doesn't know which way it wants to go. What else do we got going on here? Oh. GME's taking a bit of a pullback. It was at 3% earlier. It's at 163.99. Yeah, guys, this is kind of, we're just going to get this action all day. All day. Yeah, I would fall a prison yard brawl. Fuck yeah, man. I'd be right behind him, man. He's like a tank. Oh, fuck. See all the scars on his knuckles and his face, man? Like, wow. Like, you can tell he isn't lying. Right? About shit. Like, that's scars upon scars upon scars, man. You can see it. When he brought his hands up that one day and he showed his hands in one or two of his videos, they're like, there's like 100 scars on top of each other, man. They're just, it's like just calloused from like scar tissue. Brutal, man. Brutal. And you know, he's like, he's telling the truth with those fighting, man, because you don't just get that like that. Trust me, I've been around. I know all about that shape. Same with Andy. He knows that, like, that's solid shit, man. Solid shit. Do 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 do. What's today? Tuesday? Oh, here we go. What are you guys' big plans for the weekend? Any big plans, guys, for the weekend? Anything interesting happening? I know it's not even middle of the week yet, but I'm just trying to think. I got to figure out something to do this weekend. I got to figure out something to do this. Maybe I'll go quadding this weekend. I don't know. I'll end up hurting myself or something. Then you guys won't. I'll end up breaking my arm and I won't be able to do a podcast for you guys. I'll be doing it with a pencil like this on the keyboard. Oh, hey Andy, how was your fishing trip, my friend? I was meaning to ask you that. Baseball. Okay, cool. Right on. Right on. Yeah, 6MT for sure. Reynolds Resort. Crawdad fishing. Yeah, they don't. No, that's what we were talking about earlier, my friend. No, they don't. If this gets in the 40 range, they are so hurting. And the thrums, they want this in the 30s. Like, it's hurting them right now. This is hurting them right now, being up this high. Caught some perch and some bluegill. Never had bluegill. Is that an edible fish, Andy? Sorry, I'm being ignorant on the topic. They don't have that type of fish up here, man. I'm just trying to educate myself. Is it good edible fish, or is it like all full of bones and stuff and a white meat? Because what we have up here is we have lake trout, which is really good, man. It's nice, like organic lake trout, man. Oh yeah, I just love it. And salmon, of course. They have a river, Fraser River, right down. If you go Google on Google Maps, Fraser River in Vancouver, British Columbia. They got you can catch the sturgeon, but you can't keep them. They're protected. But they got sturgeon that are like hundreds and hundreds of years old in there, man. They're the size of this room I'm in. Some of them, they're huge, bigger guys, like where you can't even pull them in your boat. They're so big. It's crazy. They got some cool stuff here in Canada, man. It's a sunfish. Okay, it's like crappie. Okay, bones. I kind of figured that. I've heard it before, but I just didn't know. Yeah, it's hard finding good fish. Do you have, Andy, do you have lake trout and stuff down there, my friend? Like, can you get some nice lake trout and salmon? Do salmon come up the streams by where you are? Because I know they go into the inland quite a ways. Depends on where you are, I guess. How many of you guys go fishing on here? Is there a lot of fishermen in the crowd? I would like to go. I haven't been in a while. I would like to go more than I do. Like, I'm kind of geek out a bit on this computer shit for you guys, right? Total geek. But yeah, I need to get back into the swing of things here before summer's over, guys. Okay. There, we're getting a bit of a push now. JT, what's up? There, we're getting a bit of a push now. Oops. Rewind. We have some fish in northern Wisconsin. Say what? Yo, Wisconsin. Right on. Yeah, there's good fish in there, man, I heard. JT, you were just kicking it. You were just hanging out in the background, eh, my friend? Nice, the quiet, silent type. They're the best. They're the best. I know it is kind of early in the Wisconsin. It's later there than here. So you guys get the luxury of the stock market open up at 9:30. It's 6:30. I have to get up. I'm thinking of earlier than that here, but I'm not complaining. I love it. I love it. I love it. Yeah, man, going fishing everywhere would be awesome, dude. Awesome, awesome. My drop-in spot. Yeah, no, just slide right in there, eh? The fishing story did it. I knew it'd pull you out. The good old fishing stories, eh? Wow, they took us to the next level down. Not much. It's coming back up a bit here. Let's see what Discord has to say. The Discord. Whoops. Whoa. What am I doing here? What am I doing here, my friend? Yeah, Warren. Yeah, I know. I know, buddy. You said the word. The word. The CV19 word. I won't mention that. I got in trouble for that earlier today. So, from, what was it? Carol? Susan? I forget her name. Sorry for that if you're on here. Sorry, I didn't mean to forget your name, but I won't mention that again. It's a very touchy subject. Aaron, that's Aaron did that on the AMC thing, and everybody's like, oh, he mentioned the word, the word. Nobody mentions that word anymore, man. So it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Do. Oh, I'm on Twitter right now. Everybody's eight munching on crayons. You guys know who that is, eh? He's world famous. Right now he is price action is ridiculous. He's losing it on Twitter right now, guys. I'm just reading through some messages, make sure we got the newest news for you. And a ladder attack. Yeah, we definitely are getting attacked right now. For sure. For sure. A lot of the other, everybody's noticing that right now. I'm not the only one that we are getting attacked. For sure. We're getting a ladder attack right now. For sure, guys. Say Technologies this AM after the earnings. Say Technologies. I'm going to check that out. Thank you, JT. It's not even on here. Not Say Technologies that was doing that, the thing for our share count, was it? No, that's a different thing. It can't be the same thing. It's the company that we all registered our shares with for the vote. I knew it not to vote. Shit. See, guys, it was all corrupt. It was them that put the fucking shit out there. Pardon my language, guys. Fucking knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Where'd you hear this, JT? I knew there was something fishy with that. And now that little Vlad there, Dolomar, has now everybody's account information on their stocks. I didn't vote either. No way. It's all over the news. Shit. No way. That is so good. I would be changing my passwords. I'd be freaking out, guys, if I would be deleting my account now. I would definitely be getting in there and just ripping that up, man. I would be losing it, guys. He already did have all the information, but he didn't have our brokers from different countries. Unless he only would have Robinhood, my friend. He'd only have Robinhood, and if you bought into Robinhood stocks, he would have 2. Correct. That is, I think he just gave me my next podcast, JT. Thank you, my friend. I don't know if I'm going to do a podcast on that. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. That's crazy, though. That's crazy. That's scary. That's really scary. Man, we're getting schwacked right now, the little bastards. Okay, we're gonna, just for the people on the way to work and they can't watch their phones for they're listening to me on voice, because I know a lot of people do that now. It's at $34.83. We're at positive 3% across the board. What's going on here? GameStop's down to 162.08. It is at 0.45 right now. Trying to find information on that say thing, man. Oh yeah, here it is. Here it is. Holy crap. That is no good. No good. That is so bad, guys. That is so bad. Red flag. Was all the detailed information. Could you just share account and ask for socials? Okay, I gotta read some. Delete my account now. Deleting my account now. Yeah, GT. I would. Yeah, that's a little bit scary. True. Sorry, man. Sorry for what, bro? What'd you do? What'd you do, Warren? Tell us what you did, Warren. What'd you do? I'm treating you guys as a... Yes, they could have, Andy. They could have. Yes, that... I never... Yeah. It was. Just think of all the YouTubers. It was covered like spam, dude. Everybody was talking about signing it up. I'm not going to mention the names. You guys know who they are. Yeah, man. I went on here and said it wasn't a good idea, right? I kind of found something really suspicious with that. They were saying it came from Adam Aaron, and I couldn't find any links. I did see Adam Aaron's link on Facebook and or on Twitter, and it did have a link below his thing. But anybody can make that shit up, right? So I don't know. right? They did. He did. So that's weird that Adam Aaron, I remember the tweet now. He did say, and he had to say below it, sign up. Wow, that's kind of a little scary thing. That why would he do that to us? Why would he do that to us? I don't know if it's true, guys. So I'm gonna have to find that. Yeah, something happened. Something weird happened there, man. I don't know what the hell that was about. That's right, bro. That's right. Never give up your information. That's why I didn't. It scared me. It totally scared me when they asked for that information. I was like, wow, this is crazy stuff. Crazy, crazy. I was like, what the heck is going on here, man? What time is it? I'm going to be jumping offline here in a bit, guys, in about 5 minutes. Because you guys got it. You guys got the market today. If we can stay in the green, looks like we're getting a cut forming down here again. If we can stay in the green, we'll be okay. We're young in the week, guys. Really young in the week. Robin did have her personal information if you bought stocks through them, but if you didn't buy stocks through them, they wouldn't have your personal information. They didn't have mine because I never bought stocks through them. But yes, you're correct, my friend. Okay. You're correct, my friend. If you did buy stocks through them, they got all your information. They even know where you live. Because you have to open that information to open a trader's account with them. Well, we're not freaking out. We're just protecting our race. These people wanted to raise their accounts. That's all. But AMC is going to go. That's all that matters. That's all that matters. No, we were just shocked that he bought it. That's all we were talking about here. Is that we're just shocked that he's buying the company. That's all. Just making talk. $34.70. 2.75 in the green. We're holding it pretty good though, guys. I know it's going down, but we are holding it pretty good compared to most days. Our volume is at 44.27 million right now. We've only overturned 8.64%. Okay, so that's a little low, but it is what it is, right? Okay, JT, sorry, I'm just reading it right now. And that is announced that the next AM after AMC earnings, it was a big hush until the next AM. Yeah, I noticed that too, my friend. I noticed that too. It's all back in the day when there was announcements, everybody would be done. They always wait till the end of the stock market. I remember back when all this synthetics I noticed that back when before this frequency trading and all that stuff with these computers and stuff, that it was a lot different. There was a lot different. So I'm just reading your guys' comments. You guys are great. You guys are awesome. Love you guys. I love all of you. It was a lot different, right? We're having a bit of a push here back. That with the share counts coming out. right? With the share counts, with all their earnings calls, the Q quarters calls, right? That they were they would announce it in the mornings or midday in the market, and because that would help the stock. But now it's always at the end of the day, and it's always hush hush, and you do hear it, but it's usually on the news or anything like that. It's all secondhand, right? It's just it's I think it's just the way that things have gone with all this electronic stuff, right? I don't know. Maybe I could be wrong. Maybe I'm the only one. Maybe I'm tripping out. Maybe I'm not even. I don't know. I don't know. That's true. We are strong. It is a joke, my friend. There's nobody selling right now. It's we just got to hold strong. Yeah. Oh, that's what you're talking. Oh, okay. But I was noticing, JT. The other thing is too with these earning calls. Have you noticed that too? Because you're an older gentleman like myself. They used to announce it early mornings, like when market opened within the first couple of hours, or midday, like just after lunch. But notice they do their earning calls at the end after market is closed, which kind of shoots the company in the foot. Maybe there's laws on that now to stop FOMO buying and shit. I don't know. I don't know. That's something weird. I just noticed that now that you mentioned that. I was thinking, hey, it is all good. It is all good. Live stream. Got a lot of people jumping on here now, man. People must be just getting at work and just firing their computers up. The good old days, hey, when you get a job. Are any of you guys at work right now on your computers when you're supposed to be working? Are you guys watching my channel while you're supposed to be working? Are you at work, Aaron? Right on, bro. Getting paid to watch the channel, man. At least somebody's getting paid, because I'm not getting paid sitting here. I'm a farmer. Yes, Ken, sweet. Yes, you guys are frigging awesome, man. That's some good shit. AMC is my work. Same here. That's why I'm doing it for you guys. Whole market looking red. It is. It is. Some of it is. Some of it is. The meme stocks are pretty green. I would say I'm about one. Okay, well, the stocks I own, I'm one, two, three, four, five. Oh, four. Sorry, I'm lying to you. 4 out of 5 are green for me. But they're not up that much, right? Some of them, I wish they would go up because I'd love to get rid of them and double down on AMC. I would love to liquidate, but I'm so far behind in like 2 or 3 stocks that I would lose like fucking 20 grand if I dumped them right now. They're just crap companies, like caught in a pump and dump, and I'm still holding it. I will not sell until I get my money back, at least over 3/4. Audio though, yeah. See, you're listening to the audio. Okay, brother. See, that's why I do my readings and stuff of the stock prices, because yeah, there's more and more people that will list. We wait and complain. Brandon, fun. That's funny. But yeah, that's why I do audio. I'm starting to do more and more of it because I was told that a lot of people, like on their way to work and stuff, they'll put the or on their way to whatever, right? Have some earbuds in and just listening to it, right? I should go on Spotify, but I don't know. You got to pay them and stuff, right, for it. And I don't know if I don't have that long a content for that. Like, it's not like I broadcast like some tubers will broadcast like for 6-7 hours, man. Like, just sit there all day. I don't know what I could talk about for that long. Like, seriously. Like, how would you come up with that much material? That's true. Good stuff. Yeah, that is good stuff. Okay, my friends, I'm gonna bounce off here. I'm gonna jump off here. You guys got this for the day. You guys got her. You guys got her. I'll be on here tomorrow morning for you guys. And if there's any good news, as you know, I will make out a podcast and send it to you guys. And I want to thank you guys for coming on live stream with me. And yeah, we got this. We got this. Let's just hold through the day with the green. And then we got a couple more days, and we'll see what happens near the end of the day. And yeah, guys, keep it real. You guys keep it real, Wolfpack. And over and out. Peace.